So hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So today morning class is for news headlines. So let's start. And one more information is that I have started my maths coaching classes in this YouTube channel only, but that is in Hindi language and all based on NCERT textbook. So right now I have started class 7 mathematics. So my motive is to teach class 7 to class 10th. Right now class 7th has been started and 3 videos has been uploaded right now. Today we will upload the 4th video. Please do come and watch it. It is a 20 minutes video, not a big deal, just easy learning and concept clearing classes are there. Okay, thank you. So let's start our news headline videos. Okay, first is about vaccine. Okay, so as we all know that Serum Institute is gonna make the vaccine for India and also other countries. So in this we have got a news that the Melinda Gates Foundation has doubled their investment. Yes, they have doubled their investment. First it was $150 million, now it is $300 million, which could be found that India is now capable of giving, or we can say supplying, vaccine to other countries. Yes, other countries, and that too in a minimal rate. First, actually, if we look at the previous news, then we could know that the vaccine price was around 15 to $18. Right now, due to this increase in investment, the price is gonna be down to $3 per vaccine. Yes, and that's a good news. Okay, so let's write the uh, question about this. Question would be invest. So what you have to do, you have to just find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section for your vocabulary purpose only, better for you. So this news headline, first news headline is over. Now let's move to the second news headline. Okay, second news headline is about also COVID-19, but panicking news. But no need to panic. Yes, and this news is with the reference of the previous day news. Actually, WHO has found and also told in a news conference that most of the countries like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and US, they are hiding their death rate. Yes, it is true, they are hiding their death rate. Actually, if we look deeper, they are not hiding. It's not about hiding, it's about maintaining. They are finding it difficult. Yes, it is very difficult to maintain the death rate through COVID-19, and WHO has been claiming that all the countries are hiding their death rate. That's a wrong way to claim, but yes, it's really difficult to maintain the list, everyone list, because in this country and in this pandemic situation, due to less number of workforce, it is really difficult. So this all about the second news. And right now they are also claiming that the winter season could also put a huge impact on the death rate and also the affected rate of COVID-19. So let's go to the news headline. News headline news headline question will be increase. So just find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section. This is the second news headline. Now let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about a good news. It's a very good news, and maybe GK news it may come. Like the third news headline is super enzymes. About it is about super enzymes. Yes, UK based company. The name has been put in an anonymous mode. Actually, the UK based company had found in a previous days they have found an enzyme which could eat the plastic and destroy the plastic material in 18 days. But right now the UK research lab center, what they have done, they have added the both enzymes and they boosted and given that enzymes a double booster power, due to which the enzymes could destroy the plastic in just 3 days. Yes, you heard it right. They can destroy the plastic in just 3 days. And this is a very good, what we say, um, good research that UK has done. And in this pandemic situation only they have done. That is a very huge appreciation kind of thing. Super enzymes. So right now if we write the question of it, question is fast. Write the meaning of, find the meaning and write it in the comment section. So right now let's move to the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about Superbike. Yes, and their impact. What's the news? Yeah, Superbike hit rough patch. You might have heard of Harley Davidson and their factory close up. Actual reason that has been found by our economist is that Harley Davidson bike prices and the taxes implied to it are very much high, and also Harley Davidson does not supply, yes, it does not supply a huge number of bike models to India, due to which the customers are like not willing to buy the Harley Davidson bike product and also buy. So for this reason they have to close their Amritsar factory for that. But that's a good ray of hope, is that Harley Davidson will be making 350cc bikes for Indian customer with collaboration with Hero MotoCorp, and they might start their production in the coming year in 2021. By mid of 2021 they can start their factory for only 350cc bike range. So let's write the question about this news headline. Question will be Superbike. No, not Superbike, that's a term, we can say rough. Okay, so that's the question about the fourth news headline. Now let's move to the fifth news headline, which is about investors. Yeah, it's also a very good news. Yes, due to stoppage of all the products, app, and also investors from China to India, now US is finding its own way to fill the gap between this. Yes, US, UK, both countries are in line to invest for all the startup. Right now, Zomato has been funded $133 million by Tiger Group, that is a US based company, and they have also invested. US based company Tiger Group is also in verge to invest more and more in Indian startup companies because they see the potential in them. So that's a good news. Actually, we do not have to depend only on China right now. Many foreign countries are in lineup for this. So that's all about my news headline. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write the question. Question will be fund. Just find the meaning of this word. So that's all about the today's news headline. 5 news headline I have discussed. That's all about positive news headline, not anything regarding drugs, Riya Chakravarti and all that things. Just about GK knowledge and nothing best for you. So if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Classes with me. And if you don't like this video, then click on the dislike button and write in comment section that what should be improved, so that I could take care of this in my next video. So thank you and have a nice day.